How to create an account on AliExpress. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for aliexpress.com. You will be led to the official webpage of AliExpress. So in order to create an account on AliExpress, go ahead and tap on the Welcome, Sign In or Register drop-down on top of your screen and further tap on the Register option. You will then see the login portal, so go ahead and enter a valid email address and further enter your password. Make sure that your password contains 6 to 20 characters and includes numbers, letters, and symbols. Now tap on the register button and you will further receive a verification code in the email address you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code and tap on the verify button, and with this, if the code that you entered is correct, then your account in AliExpress will be created successfully. So this is how you can create an account on AliExpress. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.